Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of ads watching earning website. So now you can create your own ads watching website, and to create this website I am going to clear you that you must need this script to create this website. So to buy this script you can contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. So let me give you the demo of this script. So you can see this amazing home page of this website. You can basically this website is with admin panel, means that you can change anything that is on website through admin panel, and you can control the complete site from admin panel, so you don't need to worry about the changings. So you can see this amazing home page, start earning from home, the comfort zone home, and here is the login button and register button. If you don't have an account you can register on it, and if you have account you can log into your existing account. So here is the about section. You can add about yourself, you can change this image and add your details. So here is the benefits of facilitation, and these are some benefits and features of this website. And here is the membership plans section. You can list your membership plans from admin panel. So this site is newly created, that's why there is no plan created yet, but you can create plans from admin panel, so don't worry about it. So here is the best place to earn. These are all the 55, 68k, 20 million view users and many other things. So here the frequent asked question section, and these are all the questions of frequently asked. Here is what people say about us section, and this is the completely animated section. So these are the latest blog. You can also use insert blogs on this site and you can click them and read them. So this is a footer section. You can change all these things from footer, blogs and anything you want to change. So here are the separate about page, and you can go to them, these pages, by clicking them. So this is the about page, so you can view this page separately. So this is a contact page, and here let's view the contact. So you can see the contact page of this website, and you can contact the owner of website through this page. So this is the general overview of this site. Now let's explore the features of admin panel of this website. But first of all, let me show you the features of user panel. So I'll just log into my website and click on login. If you don't have an account, you must have to sign in. So here I have to enter my username. I will enter my username Web Sparrow, and here I have to enter the password, which is 129, and I will just click on login, and it will log me into my user panel. So here it is the user panel. Your user panel, you can see here is join WhatsApp group. You can enter your own WhatsApp group link, and if you want to delete this, you can delete through admin panel. Here is balance option. This is the user panel. You can see all your balance. No plan selected. Here you can upgrade to new plan. Here you can click on withdraw to withdraw the money, and here is a withdraw section. As there is no withdraw, so it is not showing nothing, and I will go to my withdraw money home, and so I will go to my dashboard now, and here is no plan selected. You have to select plan, and here is click and earn reports, all the graph of earning through ads, and this is total deposit 0, total withdraw history 0, and these are the total clicks, total remaining today, and total clicks and next reminder. So this is the user dashboard, and here you can also see the deposit feature separately, pages, different deposit now, deposit history. You can see the withdraw now, withdraw history, plan. You can see the plans. You can see PTC ads, clicks and transactions, referrals. You can also manage referral commissions and referral users, and here is account setting. You can see your profile. You can change your password, support ticket, two-factor verification, and here is log out option. So this is the quick overview of the user panel, and now let's open the admin panel. So here I have to enter my admin credentials, admin, and password is also the admin, and I will just log into my site, and you can see this is the admin panel of my website. Here admin can control the complete site, see the complete information of site, total user, total verified user, email unverified, and everything about it. So here are the total deposits, withdrawals, and pending withdrawals, pending deposits, total demo data, and many other things. Here you can see graphs and things. Here you can manage referral commissions, and by clicking this, here you can manage referral commission simply. So here is manage plan section. User can create plan through this section. You have to just click on add new, and here from here you can create plan simply. So this is a very simple process to create a plan. And so here's PTC ad details, and you can create ad through this section. So this is a simple process. Here is how you can create ads. You have to interlink and as required information, and you can create ad. So here is, you can manage all the users on your site. You can see active users, all users, banned user, email unverified. Here are payment gateway options. There are two payment gateways. They are automatic and manual payment gateways. If you want to use automatic payment gateways, you can use them. You can edit them from here, or you can delete them or hide them. Or if you can build your gateway manually through here, you have to just click on add new, and you can build your payment gateway. So here are deposit section. You can manage deposits from this section. You can see all pending deposit, approved deposit, successfully deposit, and rejected deposit. Here are withdrawals. You can manage all these things. Here is support ticket option. Here is report, subscriber option, and here is general setting. From general setting, basically you can change the site title. So this is site title. You can change currency, symbol, time. Here you can manage site colors and force secure passwords and email notification. Many other things you can control from here. So here from logo and favicon, you can change this logo of site. You can insert your own logo instead of this. So here are extensions, languages, you can manage SEO. Here you can manage email settings from this section, and manage template option. Here there is only one template. You can use this, and if you want to add new template, you can add it easily. So here's manage pages. You can manage all the pages that are on your website simply by this section, and you can edit them. You can add new pages on your home page from clicking add new. So this is how you can add new pages or edit the existing pages from this section. So these are the SMS manager settings and manage pages. Here as manage section, you can manage all the sections on your website, such as about us, banner, blogs, and for example, I want to edit blogs about us section. So here is how you can edit about us. So here is the image. You have to enter the address of image properties. You can change all this text from about, and video URLs and video icon button. And here is all the information. You can edit it from here by clicking this option. So this is the about section. Similarly, you can change all these sections in a way you want to change. So here is GDPR cookie. You can enable cookies from this section, or you can disable them from here. So I will just disable the cookies. So here is customer CSS. You can add it. Here is system information. You can see all your system information from this section, and here is the last report and request. So this is the general overview of this ads watching and earning website, and you can earn through making referrals, watching ads, and many other things. So if you need this PHP script, contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. And if you want any changes in website, or if you want the complete website with hosting, we will provide you. Don't worry about it. And thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and like the video.